Have you ever gazed at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to visit the stars beyond our solar system? It's a tantalizing dream, isn't it? This is the allure of interstellar travel, the grand concept of venturing beyond the confines of our solar system to explore distant stars and galaxies. It's an idea that has captured our collective imagination, igniting a sense of curiosity and wonder. Today, interstellar travel remains largely in the realm of science fiction, a tantalizing prospect depicted in novels and films. But it is not entirely fantastical. The possibility of reaching out to the stars is grounded in scientific principles and speculative technologies. Revolutionary propulsion systems, advanced spacecraft designs, and our growing understanding of the cosmos could potentially make this dream a reality in the future. So what's stopping us from reaching out to the stars? Stay tuned as we delve into the fascinating world of interstellar possibilities. The first hurdle in our interstellar journey is the sheer distance between us and the nearest stars. Imagine, if you will, standing on a beach, looking out at the vast, seemingly endless ocean. Now picture that the nearest shoreline is not a few miles away, but in fact, over 4 light-years away. That's the distance to Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor. In the face of such immense distances, traditional propulsion methods that power our current spacecraft, like chemical rockets, simply won't cut it. It would take tens of thousands of years to reach even the closest stars using these systems. So, if we're going to make the leap to the stars, we're going to need something revolutionary. Enter the concept of advanced propulsion systems. First, let's talk about solar sails. These are not your average sails. They don't catch wind. Instead, they catch light. Photons, the particles of light, exert a tiny pressure when they hit the sail. Over time, this pressure can build up to propel a spacecraft to high speeds using nothing but sunlight. Then there are ion drives. These engines work by shooting out charged particles or ions at high speeds, which pushes the spacecraft in the opposite direction. It's a bit like letting air out of a balloon and watching it zoom around the room. Ion drives are incredibly efficient and can reach higher speeds over time compared to traditional propulsion. But what if we want to go even faster? That's where more theoretical ideas come into play. Concepts like warp drives, which involve bending space-time to move a spacecraft, and antimatter propulsion, which harnesses the energy released when matter and antimatter annihilate each other, have been proposed. While these concepts currently exist only in the realm of theory and science fiction, they illustrate the kind of revolutionary thinking we'll need to overcome the challenge of interstellar distances. These advanced propulsion systems could be our ticket to the stars. With them, the vast cosmos may not remain forever beyond our reach. The dream of interstellar travel, once confined to the pages of science fiction, is beginning to look more and more like a potential reality. We may one day be able to journey to the stars. Before we send humans to the stars, we first send our mechanical emissaries. The idea of interstellar travel may seem like a far-off dream, but it's a dream that we're already working towards with the use of interstellar probes. These pioneering machines are designed for unmanned exploration, venturing into the cosmos to gather valuable data and pave the way for future human missions. One such initiative that's making strides in this arena is Breakthrough Starshot. This ambitious project aims to develop nanocrafts, tiny spacecraft propelled by beams of light. The goal? To achieve a significant fraction of the speed of light and reach nearby star systems in a time frame that's more manageable than the thousands of years it would take with our current propulsion technology. But these probes aren't just about getting from point A to point B. They're equipped with a suite of scientific instruments designed to study the mysteries of the cosmos. From analyzing the interstellar medium, that is, the stuff that fills the space between the stars, to observing cosmic phenomena, these probes are our eyes and ears in the vast expanse of space. And let's not forget about the exoplanets. These probes could provide us with invaluable information about these distant worlds, potentially even finding a suitable candidate for future human exploration. One such exoplanet that's drawn attention is Proxima b, located in the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, the closest known star to our Sun. Though challenges related to its stellar activity and unknown atmosphere remain, the data gathered by interstellar probes could bring us one step closer to understanding these distant worlds. But these probes aren't just scientific tools, they're symbols of our collective curiosity and ambition, our desire to reach beyond our own solar system and explore the unknown. They're the vanguard of our interstellar ambitions, the first to venture into the cosmic wilderness on our behalf. These probes could be the forerunners of humanity's journey to the stars. What would it take for humans to undertake a journey that spans decades or even centuries? Now that's a question worth pondering. As we cast our gaze towards the star-studded canvas of the cosmos, the notion of crewed interstellar missions becomes an enthralling yet complex prospect. The first hurdle we encounter is the need for sustainable life support systems. Imagine, if you will, a voyage that outlives the very crew that embarked on it. This journey would require an ecosystem capable of self-sufficiency, where the essentials of life, air, water, food, are continually recycled and replenished. It's a bit like designing a miniature autonomous Earth, hurtling through the vast expanse of space. That brings us to the concept of generation ships. These are spacecraft where multiple generations of inhabitants are born, live out their lives and pass on, all during the course of the journey. It's a deeply poetic idea, really. A ship of ancestors, descendants, and everyone in between, all sharing a common dream, to venture beyond the known frontier of our solar system. But what if we could bypass the passage of time? Advances in hibernation technologies, though still in their infancy, offer tantalizing possibilities. Imagine a crew in suspended animation, sleeping through the decades as they traverse the cosmos. It's a bit like the fairy tales, except the princess wakes up not in a castle, but on the shores of an alien world. And then there's the matter of gravity, or the lack thereof in space. Our bodies are fine-tuned for life on Earth, and long-term exposure to weightlessness can lead to a host of health issues. That's where artificial gravity comes in, potentially enabling us to recreate the familiar tug of earthbound existence, even millions of miles away from home. These challenges are daunting, but they also drive us to innovate and explore. As we stand on the precipice of the unknown, we are not deterred. Instead, we are invigorated by the possibilities that lie in the distant stars. And perhaps, one day, we'll find that we are not just observers of the cosmos, but active participants in its grand narrative. One of the main goals of interstellar travel is finding potentially habitable worlds beyond our solar system. In this quest, the search for exoplanets takes center stage. Exoplanets are those celestial bodies that orbit stars outside our solar system. Among these, Proxima b, an exoplanet in the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, our nearest star neighbor, has sparked considerable interest. But the intrigue comes with its fair share of challenges. Proxima b's stellar activity is particularly intense, and its atmosphere remains a mystery. These factors could significantly impact its potential habitability. The intense stellar activity could strip away any atmosphere, making it inhospitable for life as we know it. Yet the unknowns about its atmosphere leave room for speculation and further exploration. The pursuit of these new worlds, understanding their complexities and unveiling their secrets, is a fundamental part of our interstellar ambitions. The search for new worlds will likely shape the trajectory of our interstellar journeys. How would we send messages across the vast distances of interstellar space? And what ethical questions do we need to consider? Let's dive into this fascinating conundrum. Interstellar communication isn't as simple as shooting a text to your friend. The vast distances involved mean that even light-speed messages could take years to reach their destination. What's more, they may suffer from signal degradation, making them unintelligible by the time they arrive. And let's not forget the rapid pace of technological advancement on Earth. The tech we use to send a message today could be obsolete by the time the reply comes back. As for ethics, interstellar travel raises profound questions. What impact might we have on extraterrestrial life? How do we bear the responsibility of representing humanity beyond our solar system? And what are the implications of possible contact with unknown civilizations? As we reach for the stars, we must also grapple with these complex questions. As we stand on the threshold of the cosmos, the dream of interstellar travel ignites our imagination. We are living in an era where the boundaries of what's possible are continuously expanding. Propulsion technologies are advancing at an unprecedented pace, opening up new possibilities for achieving relativistic speeds. Artificial intelligence is evolving, potentially transforming unmanned exploration and revolutionizing how we operate and maintain spacecraft on long-duration missions. Our understanding of the cosmos is also deepening. Each new discovery about exoplanets, interstellar medium, and cosmic phenomena brings us a step closer to conceptualizing and planning viable interstellar missions. In this dance of knowledge and technology, we are becoming increasingly equipped to venture beyond our celestial neighborhood. While the challenges of interstellar travel are many, so are the opportunities. The stars may be far away, but they are within our dreams and maybe one day within our reach.